Number 5, binigyan ng pick. And the side pass to number 13. Yes, what a set play for the... Kumunting na pumasok. Rebound number 13. By the way, shot by number 13. Ayan na si number 0. Number 5, block pass to number 22. And a pass to Jacob. Lalo sa foul number 11. Yes, pushing foul number 11. For number 22. And a bonus shot. Bonus shot, yes, nothing but net. Just si Ramtale. Wala. Number 22. Binangga, yes! At may kasama pang foul. Basket counter. Foul number 9. Ang contact number 25. Mariano. Yes. And still by number 5. Number 5. Drop pass to number 22. Boundary shot to number 22. 5 seconds to shoot to number 0. Number 13 at may kasama pang foul. And a foul number 25. Number 13, close twice, good. Number 12, wala. Number 13 for the good back. Offensive. To number 12, Tiglao. Slides in the middle again by number 12. Tumabas. Tinapik na. Punta kay Tiglao. Tiglao. Sumaksak sa loob. Si number 12. Seconds to shoot. Agaw ni Rampale. And easy 2 points for number 0. Ayan si number 0. Umikot, tumikada, yes, and a shooter's bounce for number 0.